This is Excel Pro Tips. Do more in less time. Presented by TruePeak Solutions, and I am David Zvirenko. Today's tip, Quick Access Toolbar. Save time by keeping frequently accessed commands nearby. As a Pro Excel user, you may frequently access commands that live in various tabs. Having those commands in a single place is a great time saver. So let's dive right in. The Quick Access Toolbar is in the top left-hand corner of the Excel window. You will notice a drop-down arrow when you click on it. At the bottom, there is a More Commands option where you can add additional commands to this Quick Access Toolbar. In the Edit window here, you'll see two columns. On the left side is where you have various commands that you can add to the toolbar. And on the right is what's already in the toolbar. So let's add a few. It starts you off with what they call popular commands. Some of the more commonly used commands are right here. However, there's other options. You can filter this by the various tabs that are available and so on. One of the ones that I use frequently is custom sort. So I like to add that over to the right. Another one that I use frequently is add and remove filters. And also one other one that I use frequently, but I don't see it on this list of popular commands. So I will go to the Data tab here, and this one right here, Clear All Filters, is one that I use frequently as well, and I like to have quick access to it. On the right side, the order of these commands can be rearranged, and to do so, you just click the up or down arrows to move those commands around. Once you're done, go ahead and click OK. You'll notice at the top here that my Quick Access Toolbar now has additional icons. That's all for this tip. If you liked this tip, please share with a friend or a colleague.